So welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. The sun is shining outside, which is lovely, and I just wanted to talk about the flower school. So Young Blooms Flower School has been running now for 2 years, nearly 2 years, crikey. So it's a group of florists, a lot at different stages. So some just starting out, new businesses, some who just have a passion for flowers and want to learn more, some who are running businesses and have been for quite some time, who just want to develop their skills. And I just wanted to give you a snapshot of what a tutorial looks like. So this is a suspended floral design that I've in the process of putting together and filming a tutorial of it. So it's a no floral foam design, which I'm getting more and more passionate about. It's just really fun to work out the mechanics of how it's going to look, how it's going to feel. So you get a breakdown essentially from start to finish of the mechanics that I've used, how I found it, sort of tips and techniques, all that good stuff. And it's just really a helpful way to look at design. So I just wanted to encourage you. I love doing the flower school, I love teaching, I love getting people's questions. It's so nice to get people get excited, to watch people get excited about what they're doing, and really lovely to be sort of growing this community of people who are loving the flowers. So I will jump your next shot, your next scene will be this as a finished design, just so you can see. But I wanted to give you that halfway point to see what it's all about. So I'll be back in a second. So this is the second half of this YouTube moment. This is now flowered up. So a really lovely selection of wax. I've got spray rose, got some Doria spray chrysanth in here, and that's pretty much it with a selection of foliage. But as part of the tutorial, I've talked through how it's gone, how I found it, things that worked, things that didn't work, and created this this fantastic design. So lovely to not use oasis, lovely to have a mechanic that doesn't need oasis. So it's got moss as a water source, and also test tubes. So I've kind of invented for me a use of the test tube in here, that I can use the larger scale test tube to fit flowers that need a water source. So I've test tubed the spray roses mainly. I think everything else, if it's a boiling hot day, you know, maybe some of the spray chrysanth would be good, but I think to a certain extent, because it's up in the ceiling, it is hitting moisture because they're all put into the damp moss. So I think it's a really usable design. So if you're interested, do have a look at the website. It's www.youngbloomsflowerschool.com, where you will find a whole selection. If no floral foam is your bag, if you like that kind of thing, there's a whole selection of designs that I've gone through. So do take a look and do come and join us, and I will see you again next week.